Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video I want to show you a really cool and quick and easy way to translate your website. So when you have a website created in a specific language, I don't know what your language is, English, German, Finnish, I don't know, and then it's really easy to translate your WordPress website in different languages. So when you want to offer your website or your e-commerce store or your products and services to different countries, and so you don't have to translate your websites by hand. You don't have to translate it manually. So there's a quick and easy way to do all this with a plugin. And this is what I want to show you. So it is really quick and really good. And yeah, so I think it will save you a lot of time when you're using this plugin. So back in the days when we want to translate website, then we have to create different landing pages for each language. So for example, in my case, Germany, then the DE website, and when we want to translate it in English, then we have /en and so on and so forth, and we have to translate everything. But yeah, now with all the new plugins and stuff, it's really simple, and this is what I want to show you. So let's go to my test website here, and on my test website I want to show you. So this is the website we want to translate. So this is stock website, or this is only a demo website with demo content. You can see demo text, lorem ipsum, but here we have a heading that is in English, and here also subscribe is in English. This is an image, but here popular categories. For example, we want to translate this website in Finnish, let's say, or in Turkish or whatever. Then we go to our WordPress backend or WordPress dashboard. Then we go to plugins and go to add new plugins. And here we want to search for GTranslate. I will also put the link to this plugin in the video description down below, so you can check it out and read everything. And here is the plugin I want to use. Yeah, this is the plugin. So this plugin is completely free. I think they have a premium plan, but with so specific function, I think nobody buys the premium version of this plugin, or in my case, I don't need it, because the free version of this plugin is perfect and more than enough. So then let's go to install now. Let's install this plugin real quick. Okay, the plugin is installed. Let's click on activate here. Okay, now the plugin is activated. Let's go to settings, and here you can see the backend. You can also find it under settings, and then GTranslate. Here you can make the look of the widget. Here you have the widget preview. This is how the plugin looks on your website. And here you can see translate from. Here you can input the language you are building your website in. In this case, yeah, the main language of this website is English. This is good. And you can, yeah, this is paid, but subcategories. This is what I talking about. This EN, in this case for Russia, RU, or in my case for Germany, DE, but yeah, we don't need this. Native language name, you can toggle all this on or off if you want. You enable if you use a CDN network. Here you can make it in the menu. For example, let's put it on primary menu. Show floating language. You can play around with this. You can adjust it to your likings, and here you can see all the language we can choose from. So our main language is English, then Dutch is activated. Let's deactivate. Let's only activate a few. Arabic and Italian, I think it's good. But you can, if you want to, you can activate all the languages, but I think it's a little bit overkill. So, and here you can input custom CSS if you want. Then let's click on save. So, and also now you can see we have put it directly in the main menu, in my primary menu, but also this plugin GTranslate will generate a widget. So we can use the widget function in the customizer to place the widget wherever we want. If we want to place the widget manually in the header section or in the footer section or wherever you want. So this is really cool. Then let's go back to our website. Let's click on refresh, and I hope that the translation thingy is there. Yeah, it's here, but you can see it's a little bit out of place, so we will need a little bit CSS customization to place it right. But if you play around with it, here you can see the languages. Okay, it's, yeah, I think it's a CSS thing, but you see how it's working. Let's click on Arabic, and now you can see everything is translated, and yeah, it's completely automated. You can see everything is translated. Let me show you the widget part. I click here on customize to customize the website, and now I want to no, here, okay, here. I want to place the widget, widget 1. Widget 1. Got it. I don't have the classic widget installed yet, but it's okay. Let's search for GTranslate. There it is. And I hope, okay. Here you can see that this looks a little bit better. Okay, let's publish this. Now we could remove this from the menu, but I don't think I have to show you this again. And here you can see now we have, yeah, this looks a little bit better. And now we can switch between our languages, and it's really cool. So here you can see everything is now in Italian language, so really great. And yeah, that's really quick and really easy. You can translate your website, complete websites, large company websites or large e-commerce website in minutes. So yeah, it's really cool when you do it for a customer. When a customer come to you and say, I have a problem, I want to delete my want to translate my complete website into different languages, and you can tell them, oh, that's very complicated, I need $1,000 for the job, and yeah, then you do it for $1,000, and yeah, it takes you 5 minutes of work. And just joking. So, and you can see how cool this is, how easy it is to translate websites with complete websites with yeah, one plugin. And this, of course, it is for every page. Here's another page. Then we go, yeah, Italian, everything is translated. Arabic, now you can see everything is translated, and yeah, really cool. So, and this is everything I want to show you. Like I said, I will put the link to this plugin in the video description down below. So yeah, then you can download it, install it, or read a little bit more about this plugin. And yeah, I think it's really cool and really easy. Play a little bit, you can play around with all the settings and all the functions if you want to. And yeah, so that's it for the video. If you found this video helpful, then yeah, please press the thumbs up button. And also I would appreciate if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, so then thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.